received the first phone call approximately 4 days after the fire was out, and we were contacted by other first responders and some insurance adjusters, and eventually some architects that work in this vicinity. My initial thoughts were, they need help. We do fire cleanup weekly, but to wrap your arms around this event was different. So this is a first for anyone that's been working down here. Once the areas were identified, then we would bring in the small Bobcat equipment, small excavators with grappling thumbs, and start moving hot water tanks, iron beams, just whatever was covering that particular part of the structure. Compliance is a big deal down here. The soil and the CAM 17 testing is a #1 priority due to the fact that some of the best wine in the world is created down here in this area. So clean soil was paramount. The ash and debris was considered hazardous from OSHA and slightly regulated by EPA as well. Probably 1,000 tons of material we've taken to the segregated landfills. Ash and debris go to one landfill, concrete goes to another, metal goes to another, and it's been a lot of material to move. We've done over 200 structures.
Mr. Moore, being Mr. Moore, came up with a great idea and invented the sifting program. And we were able to put together some sifting boxes where we'd have 2 guys on each end. One guy would put some of the ash into the sifting box, the 2 guys would sift through it, and we were able to find, some of the smaller objects that folks were really upset that, they had lost. You got a lot of retired grand folks that are in this area, and for them to be able to get something back that belongs to one of their siblings or even their grandkids was pretty huge.
My educated guess is that this construction project will be going on for probably the next 7 years. Before the flowers are growing and the sprinklers are kicking on, which is really the end of the build back, I'm anticipating an average of 3 years per structure.